Hello, and welcome to the fourth episode of Learning C# while making, where my goal is to properly learn C# while making small projects in Godot. In today's video, I will be working on instantiating scenes in Godot using C#. It might look a bit tricky at first. I also felt the same. But once you understand it, it becomes very easy. Like always, firstly I will get the reference of the button which I will click on, and a different scene will appear in our main scene. That's basically what instantiating is. You load a different scene data in some other scene. Also, on a quick note, I want to tell is, please subscribe if you like the videos or learn anything from these videos. What will happen is that my channel will also get support from you, and you will also be notified when another video drops. I have got some good game dev plans for the future once I get the hold of C#, and trust me on this. If you don't know how to connect signals in Godot using C#, watch my previous video where I connected a signal using C# in Godot. Writing gd.print and running it at first is a good practice to check if the block of code is running fine. This practice will save you hours if any code fails to work due to some unknown code bug or error. As you can see, the signal works fine and we can now proceed on instantiating process. My plan is that when I click the button, this Godot icon sprite should load in our main scene. Very simple project, but enough to teach resource loading in Godot C#. Now here's the important part. I want to load the sprite when I click. But instead of referencing the sprite, as this won't work unless you have the sprite in your current scene, the scene you want to load should be referenced using pack_scene. The resource loaded .load method is a syntax that will be needed to load the scene before instantiating it. It's basically like the preload and load method that was used in GD script, but just with tiny bit of extra fancy words. The scene path will be given to the load method. It can be obtained by right-clicking on the scene and clicking on copy path, or you can simply use Ctrl plus Shift plus C to copy path of the scene. Now it's time to instantiate the scene. The instantiation process here is kinda similar to GD script. A new node 2D called new scene is created, using which my scene will be instantiated. Now just add child, and the new scene node that has been declared will be passed in here, just like in GD script. And as you can see, the instantiation worked just fine. This is a very important concept to know while making games, and doing this is that easy. Just reference the scene you want to instantiate, load the path using resource-loader.load, and then instantiate it just like in GD script. Here, random position can also be set for instantiating using the gd.randRange function for the x and y coordinates. And as you can see, the position has been changed, and it's changing its position every time I load the sprite. This is all for today's video. We'll meet you in upcoming videos. Till then, bye and do subscribe.